guys, first you'll go to TikTok and then you can find this girl's account by just searching up woman Doja Cat, and then on the sound she's at the very top, so you can either just here, this is her video, so you can either press and hold and then press save video, or if you don't want a watermark you can press copy link and then you can go to Snaptic. You can just search up Snaptic on Google and then it will be the first thing that comes up, and then you can paste your TikTok link that you just copied, and then you'll press download server, and then if an ad pops up you press close, but then when it says do you want to download, you'll press download, and then in the top of your screen on the Safari her video will be here, and then you press the share button and then you can press save video. So now you can just exit out of there and clear the file. Now you can close the app and then you'll go into CapCut and then you'll press on the video. So if you don't have TikTok, then you can go to the YouTube website or YouTube app and then you would search woman dance Tracy, and then you can find the 34-second one by Tracy OJ, and she's gonna show up, and you can either go to your control center and then press the button that you can see is flashing red for me, and then you can either screen record the scene or you can go to the top of youtube.com and then press copy link, and then you can download the videos like I did with TikTok. So you can go to YouTube downloader YT1 and you can just Google that, and then you will go here and then you'll tap on it and press paste and then press convert. You'll have to press get link and then download, and then it'll bring you to a weird site for some reason, I'm not sure, but then by now it'll say download and you can press download. Here you can see that you have the video, and it's not as good as quality since you wouldn't get it straight off of TikTok, but it's still the video, so it would work obviously. Then again you'll press share and save video, then you'll just swipe out of it and press clear. And if you're on this website, you shouldn't press download on the VPNs or the downloads, or if it pops up like anything with that, or it says oh you got a Safari notification, because it will put a virus into your phone and I don't want you guys to get viruses. So then you would close this out, and again you would go to CapCut and then press new project, and then you would import. So now that you have the video imported and it's a project, and then you can just clip out the parts that you don't want, and like you can listen to it again to see if you like it. See, I think I'm gonna start it here. We'll see.
Delicious taste, you need a woman's touch in your place. Just protect her and keep her safe. Baby, worship my hips and waist.
I think the part where I started in my last video, where a couple of you guys were wondering how to do this, is
so feminine with grace. I touch your soul when you hear me say, boy, let me be your woman. Let me be your woman.
Okay, so now that you got it down to that speed, ultimately, so what you want to do is, like how I had it was, there were photos of Erin Yeager around her dancing. So then you would have to use your 2 fingers, and then you would put one on the top of the clip and one on the bottom, and then you would like zoom out of it and make it smaller. And then you, let's say we're gonna do this trend this time with Kusuo Saiki. So you can get 6 photos of the character that you'd like to do. So then you'll press overlay, add overlay, and then what you need to do to get to this is you're not like, you don't have this selected, so it doesn't say split, speed, volume, etc. And then you'll just press overlay, add overlay, photos, and then you can select 6 photos. You can only add 1 at a time, however. So for me, I'm gonna select 1 photo so far, and then I'm gonna click and drag to the end of the video. Now I'm gonna add the next photo. See, once I have 6 overlays, it's gonna say maximum overlay tracks reached. And then if you guys want to add text like I did, you can go to text and then press add text, and then you can add whatever you want. And this is how you do this trend. There you have it.